In 1986, director of Yonaguni Tourism, Kihachiro Aratake, accidentally made one of the greatest underwater discoveries known to man. Or did he? Located off the coast of Japan's most southern island in the Okinawa prefecture lies what's believed to be an ancient 5,000-year-old sunken city with as much mystery surrounding it as Atlantis. Or it could just be a bunch of rocks. Either way, Yonaguni Monument has been a conversation piece and a huge draw for tourism ever since it was discovered. So, what is Yonaguni Monument and where did it come from? From my understanding, Yonaguni Monument is an underwater network of very unusual rock formations that seem to have perfectly cut edges that make up various structures, such as stairs, towers, and stadiums. Some have even claimed that they have seen animals carved into some of the rocks. For many years, divers from all over the world have traveled to Little Yonaguni Island to see it for themselves and try and figure out the mystery. Masaki Kimura, a marine geologist, has been diving at the site to study the structures for more than 15 years. And each time he returns, he says he grows more and more convinced that Yonaguni Monument is actually the remains of a 5,000-year-old city.
The largest structure looks like a complicated monolith-stepped pyramid that rises from the depths of 25 meters. There is no doubt in my mind that it was made by aliens.
Okay, he didn't say that last part. But it'd be kind of cool if it was, right? No? Okay, moving on. But like other stories of sunken cities, Kimura's claims have attracted some controversy. Robert Skoshevich Sandwich? Sorry. A professor of science and mathematics at Boston University said after diving at the site, "I'm not convinced that any of the major features of the structure are man-made steps or terraces, but they're all natural. It's basic geology and classic stratigraphy for sandstone, which tend to break along the plains, giving you these very straight edges, particularly in areas with lots of faults and tectonic activity." So who do you believe? The marine biologist? The science and mathematician? Or me, the guy behind the computer screen picking his nose, hoping that it really was aliens? Go ahead, comment. I'll wait. Other experts believe that the structure could be all that's left of the land of Mu, a fabled Pacific civilization rumored to have vanished beneath the waves some 2,000 years ago. By the way, if you don't know, I looked up this Mu, and I found out that it's just another name for Atlantis. And if you don't know what Atlantis is, well, you need to watch the Disney movie. It's historically accurate. Also, if it was part of Atlantis, that's even cooler than aliens. Kimura, the one that believes that it's an ancient city, also identified some of the rudimentary characters etched into the rock. He believes he's found carvings of a sphinx, as well as one that resembles a Chinese or ancient Okinawan king. He believes that about 2,000 years ago, there was some sort of huge seismic event that brought the city underwater. Kimura said he has identified at least 10 different structures off Yonaguni and another 5 off the coast of the main island of Okinawa that he believes are all related. In total, the ruins cover a huge area spanning about 300 by 150 meters, which is about 984 by 492 feet. Sadly, Japan's government doesn't believe that it's anything special, nor does the government of Okinawa. Neither recognize it as a site of ancient remains and therefore is not spending a cent to preserve or protect it. But it does bring a lot of tourism. I think most people, though, agree with Robert Sandwich. the mathematician guy. If you talk to many of the locals on Yonaguni, it seems like they want to believe it's an ancient civilization, but just don't see it. But even if it was fake, at least Yonaguni Island is profiting off the mystery. So what do you guys think of this Yonaguni Monument? Is it real? Is it an ancient civilization that sunk 2,000 years ago? Have any of you been there? Let me know in the comments below because I'm really interested if you have any more information on this stuff. Either way though, I think it's something interesting that especially divers would love to go see. There's nothing else really like it underwater in the world, whether it's an ancient civilization that's man-made or just extremely unique naturally formed rocks. So this was a new video style for me. Let me know if you like it. Leave a like, leave a comment below on your thoughts, and if you know anybody who's interested in this sort of mysterious stuff, go ahead and share this video with them. I'd greatly appreciate it. So thank you so much guys for listening to me talk about these crazy mysteries, and I will see you in the next video.